How the devil's gonna make me a free man.
I think this is Lac du Bois grasslands, north of Kamloops in Tranquille Canyon. I'm gonna head down into that canyon because I think there's a bit of a slot canyon there to swim through. Oh look, there's a vehicle right there from eons ago that got driven off the cliff. Beauty place. This one was clearly an accident because who would launch that gem off a cliff? Boneyard. 5 more. A white one, a yellow one, a blue one, a red one, and another white one. Tranquille Slot Canyon, I think. First peek at it. Oh, witchy bush. Wow. That doesn't disappoint. Super cool rock structures. Whoa, honking big cliffs. Chilly water. Almost like it's April. Oh, I bet you this camera's not doing this justice. Whoa! Ooh, some rapids. Wow, cool little hoodoos. Up there. Everything's backwards there.
The devil got him good for sure. Ain't got no place to call home. Only chains and broken.
Whoa, that's getting really high.
Got no place to call home. So come on, Lord, won't you
A little swimming hole with a rope to get out of here.
got no place to call home.
Just ready to take off, and like 100 meters upstream from the canyon is just in. There's another one! Well, this is a super pretty hike through the grass and sagebrush and vehicles. Chatted with some people coming down. Look at that. And they said there's a 4-hour walk all the way down the creek that you can do. And the rope I did at the little waterfall there was the gnarliest part of the whole thing. Seymour Falls, ripping, beautiful colored water, and every bit as good as the waterfall is a crazy, awesome, bossy forest.